everyone, so for today's video, we're going to discuss 3 characteristics of sound, which are the frequency, amplitude, and quality. So first, the frequency. Sometimes referred to as pitch is the number of times per second that the sound pressure waves repeat itself. The units of frequency are called hertz. Humans with normal hearing can hear sounds between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Frequencies above 20,000 Hz are known as ultrasound. You are probably aware that different sounds have different frequencies, but what's the difference between high and low frequency sounds? If you've been wondering about the differences between sounds of varying frequencies and how they affect you, here's our video for you.
The ring of an alarm clock can create of high frequency. While the sound of a clock can create a low frequency.
Amplitude, it is the maximum displacement or distance moved by a point on a vibrating body or wave measured from its equilibrium position. It is equal to 1/2 of the length of the vibration path. The amplitude of a sound wave determines its loudness or volume. A larger amplitude means a louder sound, and a smaller amplitude means a softer or lower sound.
Quality of sound. The distinguishing characteristic of a sound other than its pitch is the timbre. It is due to the presence with the main or fundamental sound of other minor sounds called overtones, the fundamental note prevailing and the other ones being superimposed upon it. The human voice is very rich in overtones. The telephone reproduces this, thus giving the personal peculiarities of every voice.
You hear the harmonic tone of a kalimba, which is one of the examples for rich quality sounds. That sound came from the piano, and it's an example of a noise or unpleasant sounds which can irritate your ear, and it's a low quality sounds. Enjoy our video. Thank you.